I would go and say self-realization, said that the spine is the mind of your body. If your spine is not healthy, your body is not healthy.
क्योंकि वो चक्रास और ऊर्जा ऊपर तो जा ही नहीं.
Everything, your energy system is in your spine.
Very true.
Your posture is in your spine.
Very
When you breathe, it travels through your spine.
Correct.
Your prana is in your spine.
Correct.
The fact that you can move your fingers and toes starts from your spine.
वो कौन सा वाला आसन है जो हेड पे करते हैं, हेड स्टैंड?
Shirshasana.
I'm very scared of it.
You
After having spondylosis and bulges,
right.
you do that asana.
Yes.
And you do a lot more now.
Yes. You could pick up any person on the road and teach them for 6 months and they can stand on their head. 6
Yeah.
months का 2 महीने में कर सकते हैं. I had a student from Estonia. I'm not joking. I had to look on the bloody map where the city is and the country is. Because why would you look at Estonia? You know where Australia is, you know where Singapore is. But
Yeah.
Estonia कहाँ से log in कर रही है भाई?
You've seen that
Every
movie
day.
of Jim Carrey where he wakes up in the same reality. Truman Show. Yeah.
So I was like, this just can't
Yeah.
be it. I also tried different types of yoga styles.
Like
Hatha classes, there were Ashtanga classes, there was Yin yoga classes, there was yoga therapy, which is for people who have injuries or post-op care,
Okay.
who come for rehab.
Okay.
After rehab, they come for yoga therapy and things like that. Being unstoppable, I think more is a mental game.
So it's a muscle which you have to keep training.
You have to keep training like any other muscle.
Hi everyone, welcome back. You're watching Unstoppable Women. Today we have Charuta Sawant with us. Welcome on the show. What an incredible journey you have.
I think so too. Thanks.
You know, with this bhaga bhaga doda doda sa zindagi in Mumbai, you are telling people to slow down.
Slow down. Yes.
Take a breath.
Right.
Pause. It's
Right.
okay to pause.
Yes. You must pause.
You must pause.
You must pause.
But this Charuta wasn't pausing
At all.
15 years ago.
At all.
Tell us about it.
Well, born and brought up in Mumbai. I'm a quintessential Maharashtrian Mumbai girl. My whole life was in and around Borivali, where I grew up.
Okay.
My schooling was in St. Xavier's High School. My mother thought I should be a doctor. I clearly had other plans. I completed my 10th and my 12th. I barely scraped through my 12th.
Mm-hmm.
And if I show my mark sheet to somebody, I am very sure the teacher thought कि इसको pass कर देते हैं. The marks
अच्छा.
are so bad.
अच्छा.
So bad. And on those, my mother thought I should be a doctor. So I'm like, ठीक है. धक्का
वो डॉक्टर है?
नहीं.
अच्छा.
Government servants, both of
But
them
their dream
retired.
was कि बेटी डॉक्टर होनी चाहिए.
कोई तो एक डॉक्टर बने, maybe try कर लो. या कोई तो एक IAS IPS बने, try कर लो. So me and my elder sister. And she said, I'm not going to study so much. ये तो मैं होगा ही नहीं मुझसे, मुझे करना भी नहीं है.
हाँ.
तो उसका तो हो गया.
हाँ.
बची मैं. So they're like, इसको try कराते हैं.
हाँ.
So I was like, okay, I'll try. But then I still took up science in 11th and 12th. And I saw the amount of studying you have to do. While the profession is extremely noble,
Yeah.
I will not study so much. I can't. It was not me. Can I do hard work? Yes. But can I do it for something like this, which I don't enjoy? No. And for all practical reasons, I was like, 27, 28 तक आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हो. उसके बाद अगर आप अच्छे डॉक्टर बने,
Yeah.
तो आपका कुछ होगा.
Right.
नहीं तो आप किसी गली में सर्दी बुखार खांसी की दवाई देते बैठोगे पूरी लाइफ भर. I don't want to do that. So that happened. And then my mother said, you know, she talks a lot.
अच्छा.
हाँ. So let's put her in communication.
Okay.
हो जाएगा कुछ.
Okay.
So
ये
BM
mothers
है
को सब पता होता है ना?
extremely instinctive and practical.
Yeah,
My mother,
yeah.
extremely.
Yeah.
And practical to the T, where at some point you'd be shocked at her progressive thought process, but you'd be like, it's right. And it makes perfect sense when you
Yeah.
look at the larger picture. She
Yeah.
was not wrong.
Yeah. What was telling you
The
inside?
mundane and the mind-numbingly boring routine of it all.
Okay.
Just the same exact thing every day.
You've seen
Every
that movie
day.
of Jim Carrey where he wakes up in the same reality, which is all made up. I'm forgetting the name now. Truman Show.
Truman Show.
Thank you. See, producers.
So yeah. So I was like, this just can't be
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
And one is that, and the second thing I realized is that I've spent my entire life in Mumbai. I was born here up till the last working day of my life in Mumbai. I've always been in Mumbai.
Yeah.
And I felt I'm living in a bubble. Because just this can't be it.
It can't be true, right?
It can't be true. Just this can't be the format of life.
Correct. That's why it's a Truman Show, because the moment he walked up the staircase, remember, and he rips open the sky, the cloud, and he walks out of the studio.
Yeah.
It was a studio.
Yeah. This just can't be it.
Yeah.
So I was like, look, I love working. I enjoyed the money that came in. I was fairly ambitious. So I said, okay, why don't I continue working? But if it's taking a toll on my health, I couldn't sit still for 20 minutes.
Yeah.
I was taking a walk on the office floor every 20 minutes. I was in physiotherapy for six months on end. So I used to work. My spine used to get worse. I used to go to physiotherapy. They used to stretch it out. I used to go back doing the same thing. And this was on repeat.
It's a cycle.
It's a vicious cycle.
Yeah.
So I was like, okay, I enjoy working. Why don't I slow it down a bit? Right? So I said, okay, why don't I shift cities? My parents were horrified. They're like, the world comes to Mumbai to work. You have everything here. Why do you want to go somewhere else?
Yeah.
There's nothing. This is the best that you have.
Yeah.
It's literally
so
the whole world.
So you shifted cities because just to see if it's the city
maybe a
creating
change
all
of
this
pace. Maybe a change of pace might do me good. Maybe it's just in my head that I've been in Mumbai for so much that I don't know anything about the outside world at all. Right? So I said, okay, let's just see how this works. So a friend via friend, and something worked out, and there came an opportunity in Myntra. So I said, let me try. And I got through.
And Myntra was also like
very
really new. Aggressive at that time.
Yeah,
what
very
I remember,
fresh,
right?
very new.
Yeah.
They had just set up a decent office.
Correct.
Operations were still fairly broken here and there, and they were operations out of 4-5 buildings. Kahin building hai, kahin dusri building hai.
And wo creator program bhi unhone shuru kiya tha.
So I was the marketing of that creator program.
Okay.
That's where I joined.
Okay,
it was called the MFI.
Yes.
Okay,
lovely.
You're right. So I joined that, and I remember Bangalore was a culture shock for me because one, I found it extremely slow. The first few weeks, before the office was starting, I used to take an auto, and I'm like, public transport तो है ही नहीं. मुझे ऑटो ढूंढनी क्यों पड़ रही है नीचे जाके? यहाँ पे आई एम आउटसाइड एंड नीचे ऑटो खड़ी है, टैक्सी खड़ी है, बस है, ट्रेन है. It has no public transport except for Ubers and Olas. So I was like, अच्छा चलो ठीक है, maybe that was the first culture shock for me. The second was population. I felt Bangalore had no people because I was so used to the bheed of Mumbai trains.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah. I'm like, yeah, log rehte hi nahi hai. I'm like, have I made a mistake? People don't, like, it's not a populated city. So they're like, no, you are working in an area of Bangalore which is not so
that
populated. Yeah, so I'm like, chalo, theek hai, ye bhi accept kar liya. And then my work started. So Mumbai girl, you reach office at 9:30. My first emails have to go out by 9:45. I reach office. The housekeeping is still cleaning the office at 9:30. I was so shocked. I called up my boss. I said, what time does the office open? He said, well, officially it's 9:30, but I'll be coming in at 11. And I'm like, 11? 11 is half day. 11, my productive
Mumbai
hours.
standards is like way too late.
My productive hours are gone.
Yes.
I need to, my one agency meeting is done by 11. My feedback is done by then. I'm like, that's shocking.
Yeah.
So I'm like, what to do? So I twiddled my fingers till 11 o'clock. Boss came. It was a new project, so there was not a lot of work to do.
Yeah.
So I felt, I'm like, ये मैं क्या कर बैठी हूँ? यहाँ पे काम ही नहीं है, कुछ नहीं करना है. So boss is like, काम आएगा, it'll happen. Till then, why don't you just, take it slow? It's slow. And I'm like, reminding myself,
I asked for it.
I asked for a slow life. This is what's slow. This is it. I've come to it. So that took a little adjusting. And then I realized what a slow life, I think a balanced life is. I think Bangalore taught me that.
Okay.
It's a very fairly balanced life. People have a life after they go home.
Unlike a Delhi or Mumbai.
Unlike a Delhi or a Mumbai. Maybe now it's changed, but I'm talking about 6 years ago, 7 years ago.
And this is before COVID, where no concept of work-life balance existed.
था ही नहीं, correct.
COVID ने तो और आके spoil कर दिया. But at least now people are conscious के health first.
Right. 100%. And so that was Bangalore, and I think I slowly got used to Bangalore then. So whenever I used to come and visit my parents in Mumbai, I'm like, why are people always in a rush?
Yeah.
So she's like, you shut your gob. You've been living here for your whole life. This is what you've seen all your
Yes.
life, and you've now taken some 2 weeks or 3 weeks or whatever in Bangalore, and you come back and you say, don't shut your gob. So I said, I remind myself again and again that I asked for this.
Mm.
And that happened about for 5-6 years until my back problem started again.
It's aggravated?
It aggravated. It came back.
It came back.
It came back because मैं treatment करके यहाँ
So
से चली
Bangalore
गई.
में it came back.
It
With
came
the
back.
New job, new city.
New job, new city. पहले work was not as hectic, but then as work increased, my work hours increased, it came back. So then I was like, and it came back even worse than what it was.
Okay.
So I came back to Bombay. I said, Mama said, we need to fix this because I'm too young to have this recurring issue.
How old were you then?
26, 27. Yeah. So I said, okay. And then she said, why don't we go to a hospital and get the whole big tests done and blah, blah, blah. And by then maybe a year or something had passed, me working, flying up and down, so on and so forth. Time nahi mila, project chal raha hai, ab main nahi aa sakti hu, I'll just push through.
So timely call nahi kiya.
Timely call nahi kiya. And back then, ergonomic sitting, posture, किसी को पता नहीं था. You just sat and you worked for X hours and you went home and you chilled and
then
slept.
you came back to office.
And you came back to office. इतना ही life थी हमारी. So I said, ठीक है. Then I went and I took my X-ray and I went to the doctor and he's like, see, for a person as young as you, this is an unreal spine. You have multiple slip discs. You have cervical spondylosis till the last stage. Your disc is...
Slip disc था कि bulge था?
मेरा लोअर बैक पे तो बल्ज रिसेंटली हुआ पर मेरा सर्वाइकल बहुत बुरा था.
ओके.
Yeah, so much so that at some point I couldn't feel my left hand ka fingers.
Got it. So this is your C3, C5, C6.
This is C3, C4.
Which is right where it starts.
And in those days, we didn't have laptops as much. The heads of the companies got laptops, but the rest of us had desktops. और एक mouse होता था और एक hand से हम keyboard चलाते थे.
हाँ, वो ऐसा.
और वो ऐसा होता था. हाँ, ऐसा. And तभी
तो carpal tunnel syndrome भी हो रहा था लोगों को उस time.
Correct. It still happens for people. Yes. So that happened, and because of which I realized, and this is something that posture people or people who work in offices need to really be mindful of, that we unknowingly have this shoulder
थोड़ा strain
because ये
है.
keyboard के ऊपर होता है ना,
बिल्कुल.
and ये आपका move होता है. So this shoulder still gets some mobility, but this is stuck in one place. Because ये सिर्फ keyboard पे move होता है. ये तो आपका थोड़ा move हो जाता है. So that got worse and worse and worse. And then he said, either you get into a surgery or you try yoga.
Okay.
I said, surgery to main nahi karne wali. I said, I'm too young to get into a surgery. Yes. I will do yoga, and whatever you ask me to do in terms of fitness, in terms of lifestyle changes, I am ready to do all of it. Okay. But I will not get into a surgery room. He said, perfect. Why don't you do it? So I went back to Bangalore with this new, let's look for a yoga studio.
Okay.
Right. And luckily, the area that I lived in and my office was very close to each other. So I found this lovely studio back then, which was the only studio that had a class after my work hours.
Okay.
So I could attend it.
Okay.
Right.
So evening time.
Evening time. And the class was about 7:30 to 8:30.
Perfect time.
Perfect time.
For working people.
Correct.
Yeah.
So I was like, chalo, ye main kar sakti hu. So I started with a senior citizen yoga class.
Okay.
It was so bad. So I am sitting in a class where I have senior citizens on chairs, or there is a helper or maybe a nurse or somebody, and there are basic movements like lift your right hand, lift
basic
your left
mobility
hand. Basic mobility.
Yeah.
And that was a very stark slap by reality in my face.
Yes.
I'm like, at 28 I'm doing this. This can't be real.
So your body had gone that stiff,
that bad because of overwork, stress, vices at that point in time.
Yeah.
Lots of things. I took my body for granted and how.
Yeah. And it does happen in young age, right?
Of course it does.
You feel the reality is going to hit you later. But when you say it started hitting you at 28,
right,
is when actually the wake-up call happens.
Wake-up call happened at 20.
But वो आता नहीं है youth में इतनी जल्दी.
Because
like in your case it happened.
recover fast, no? Youth में आपकी energy होती है, your body's healing properties are stronger, you recover faster.
Right.
So you don't care about anything. आप Thursday night, full night आप party करो, Friday morning you're back, you may have a hangover, sure, but you can still function.
Right.
If you ask a 40-year-old that today, they probably
They'll
might
slow down.
Yeah. Right? They're like, no, I can't maybe.
Yeah.
So that was also there. And so I did something called a senior citizen, or it's called Sukshma Vyayam.
Okay, basic level.
Gentle Vyayam is exercise.
Correct.
Sukshma is basic or gentle.
Correct.
So I did that for about 6 months.
Okay.
Like diligently. And in 6 months, I saw the difference and how.
Basic yoga में.
मतलब मैं chair पे बैठी हूँ. They ask you to not use your hands and get up from the chair and stand in a straight posture.
क्योंकि वो functional core
without using your
engagement कर
hands.
रहे हो.
Without using your hands. And you sit down again without using your hands. Basic चीज़ है ये. पर नहीं कर पाते हैं लोग. Our natural instinct is to take support.
Correct. तो वो हमने core muscle को engage करना ही बंद कर दिया ना.
हाँ. हम बैठते ही नहीं हैं. Posture problems. We all look like bananas. We shouldn't.
Or potatoes.
Yeah. Right?
Or beanbags. Sorry.
You're right.
Visuals are coming.
You're
No,
right.
that's true.
It's true.
We really abuse our bodies. Yeah.
Yes, we do. And I did that for about 6 months.
Yeah.
And I noticed a visible difference in the sense that I was at least pain-free. And for me, that was such a relief. Because I was no more traveling with a hot water bag and carrying some 30 painkillers and medicines with me everywhere I'm going. I'm like, yeah, this is working.
So every day you did this?
Thrice a week. Not even every day.
Only thrice a week?
Only thrice a week. And that too, this is basic gentle joint movements. I'm not even talking about beginner classes or advanced asanas or like कि आप हर रोज 1.5 घंटे की साधना
तो tell me
करो.
one thing, Charu. The fact that human body is not made to sit. ऐसा मतलब. और spine पे सबसे ज़्यादा pressure पड़ता है जब आप बैठते हो. उससे कम पड़ता है जब आप लेटते हो.
Correct.
और सबसे कम पड़ता है जब आप खड़े हो सीधे.
Correct.
That's what I know.
Correct. You're right.
And the spine itself or the body itself is supposed to be mobile and move. Like,
right.
You know, when you
are born to do
hunters.
Correct.
तो तब तो ऐसे बैठ के ऐसे व्हाट यू आर सेइंग ना ऐसा
Correct.
तो नहीं था ना.
ये
जो पोस्चर तो बेसिकली आधी से ज्यादा बीमारियां यही है.
करेक्ट.
सेडेंटरी लाइफस्टाइल है. और जब हम बैठ के बैठे रहते हैं,
करेक्ट,
चाहे हम स्टूडियो में हैं या ऑफिस में हैं या इट इज जस्ट व्हाट हैज become to our bodies, right? तो body में basic आप बोल रहे हो, basic movement can actually bring that first level of
it's meant to move.
health.
It's meant
to move.
We are not a tree. आप पेड़ नहीं हो.
हाँ, आप sedentary मतलब आप चिपके नहीं हो
आप चिपके नहीं हो ना. You're born to move. There is a reason why your joints are designed to move in certain angles and ways. So move it.
Yes.
B.K. Iyengar ji, right? Who's one of the most incredible things that have happened to India in the field of movement. Forget yoga asanas, movement. Or I would go and say self-realization.
Okay.
Said that the spine is the mind of your body.
Okay. The spine is the mind of your body.
If your spine is not healthy, your body is not healthy.
क्योंकि वो चक्रास और ऊर्जा ऊपर तो जा ही नहीं.
Everything. Your energy system is in your spine.
Very true.
Your posture is in your spine.
Very
when
true.
you breathe, it travels through your spine.
Correct.
Your prana is in your spine.
Correct.
The fact that you can move your fingers and toes starts from your spine. And that only you're not moving. Right? We are not asking people to sit straight because we want to. Your spine is not straight. It is a gentle S-shaped curve.
Correct.
Fairly.
Natural.
Natural. We are asking people to sit straight because we want to create length in your spine. We don't want the discs to grind against each other. There is a healthy space that is between them,
so
which is why sit upright. That space is maintained. But if you slouch, that space is going to crush, which we don't want to do. Correct.
And also, I think there is a thing that when you're putting your neck like this,
right,
you're carrying more weight. Your neck is carrying more weight, right, of your head.
Correct. 4.5 kgs. If I ask you to hold 4.5 kgs inverted in your wrist like this, will you be able to hold it?
And for how long?
और
हम 1 घंटा लैपटॉप पे बैठे.
Correct. It's like asking you hold a glass of water close to your body for an hour. But if I ask you to hold that glass of water away from your body for an hour, will you be able to do it? No. Your body's natural inclination is to be straight towards itself. Why would you drop 4.5 kilos permanently like this? There are just 4 tiny bones in your body supporting it.
Correct.
So just be upright. It's designed to be upright.
Right.
What is supposed to be straight doesn't need to be bent. What is supposed to be bent doesn't need to be pulled out tight. Knees, for example. Don't lock your knees. Keep them soft. They are not supposed to be.
When you say lock your knees means like if I'm sitting in Sukhasana.
Correct.
That's okay.
Stand. Yes.
For some time.
Yes, but if I ask you to stand and if I ask you to tighten your knees, don't do that. That's locking your knees.
Okay.
Yeah. There's a joint. There's a reason why there is a joint there.
Yeah.
It doesn't need to be locked. It's supposed to be mobile.
Got it.
Right.
Got it.
Yeah.
Interesting. So you went and learned all of this, right?
I went and learned all of this.
Before that.
Right.
You decided something about your corporate life.
Yes, I did. So I was practicing yoga, Sukshma Vyayam ho gaya, and then my teacher one day said, you're slightly better off now. If you're pain-free, why don't you join a beginner class?
Okay.
I said, and I felt so proud of myself. I'm like, I'm becoming better. I've made the conscious decision to take care and manage my health, and I'm doing a good job and I'm progressing. So what was ambition earlier, in terms of appraisals?
What's the result now?
Now it's health. I'm progressing on my health.
Yes.
So I felt very good when he said that. He said, now you can join a beginner class. So I said, okay, I'll join a beginner class. And I took it to the class and the environment like fish to water.
Okay.
I enjoyed it. I loved it. I realized that on the days I practiced, I was calmer. I felt better. My aches were gone. I was productive. I was more mindful. I was alert. I did not need my 4 p.m. vices of sutta and chai and all those things. And coffee or tea or whatever it is. Right? And I was like, this is good. And I'm not even making a conscious effort. This is just the practice working its way on me.
Yes.
This is without me doing any conscious, anything mindfully. I'm just going with the flow.
So you're just making an effort to
go
there
to the class and just show up.
The technique is working
rest
on you.
The class ka 1 ghanta is doing this for the rest of my 23 hours.
23 hours.
Right? So I'm like, imagine what would happen if I make a conscious effort.
Okay.
Right? And that blew my mind. And I'm like, I'm not going away from this now. So I practiced with beginners. Beginners say I went to inter-advanced.
Yeah.
And then there came a time where I was practicing every day, 7 days a week.
Okay.
Saturday, Sunday, I was doing it at home. Ya to I was looking for some workshop in Bangalore where I could go and attend it.
Okay.
I was chasing it. So then again, my mom is like, don't become ambitious about it.
Okay.
Right? It's about your health. So give yourself a break. Rest your body once in a while. In order to cure yourself, don't damage yourself.
Don't overdo that.
Don't overdo it.
Yeah.
So I said, okay, that's a good reminder. So I slowed back down. And then, by then, I had a feeling that इसमें कुछ तो मैं करूँगी या कर सकती हूँ.
Okay.
Let's just open this door and see what's there. You might not enjoy it, but let's just open it.
Okay.
So by then I was also fairly sick and tired of my corporate jobs. So I said, if I want to explore if this is an opportunity for me or no, I need to in some way figure out how to reduce my corporate work life.
Okay.
Right? So I took up consulting.
Okay.
From a full-time employee.
Okay.
I did the exact same job.
But from home.
But from in the office, but from small companies, project-based consulting.
Okay.
जो काम मैं मिंत्रा में कर रही थी, मैंने exactly वही काम छोटे-छोटे startups के लिए किया.
Understood. Which at your pace, at your time, and
at my pace, and उनका office होता था, तो I used to report in at 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock, and I used to leave the office by 4. So I could attend a morning class before going to work, and I could attend an evening class.
Got it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I did that. And consulting mein, by then I was fairly experienced in that field to be able to charge the kind of money that I did. Right. So I was like, okay, financially I'm stable. At no point I was going to throw away all of that and take a very sort of a hippie sort of a decision ke sab chhod chhad ke main jaungi. No. I was very practical about
so
this.
So very hybrid. Right?
Extremely,
you transitioned.
I transitioned.
Slowly,
I took 3
smoothly,
years to do this.
3 years transition.
I took absolutely.
From a full-time corporate job to a yoga instructor.
Yes.
First learning and then training.
Training, yes. So I first moved from full-time to consulting where I could give enough time to stabilize myself financially.
Yeah.
And for all practical reasons, I was by then at an age where I didn't want to ask my parents for money.
Fair enough.
I had earned enough and been working enough that I should have enough savings to sustain myself for some time so that I could try this thing that I want to do. And I planned it. It was a very meticulously planned move. It wasn't a jump or whatever. And it wasn't that I led or I let my passion sort of take me away into a very irresponsible stage.
This was all in Bangalore?
This was all in Bangalore. Okay. So I was working for startups, helping them launch their fashion brands, which I did with Myntra also. Okay. And then on the side, I was training myself or, learning with new teachers. Okay. I also tried different types of yoga styles.
Like which all?
There was Hatha classes, there were Ashtanga classes, there was Yin yoga classes, there was yoga therapy, which is for people who have, injuries or post-op care, who come for rehab. After rehab, they come for yoga therapy and things like that. So I tried all of them.
Okay.
And then finally, I zeroed down on what I could connect with. Which is Hatha. And then later I challenged myself to do Ashtanga, but that's a later part of my journey.
What is the difference in the two?
Ashtanga is a preset sequence. It's called Ashtanga Yoga. It's a preset sequence of asanas, which are designed and to be practiced in that same way every day. Okay. Or in the same way at least, not every day. If you don't want to do it every day, that's fine. You go to any corner of the world. And you say, I'm an Ashtanga practitioner. You pick up any Ashtanga practitioner from the city.
Same sequence, same asanas.
Everything is the same. It's a preset series.
Okay.
Usme you have your primary series, you have intermediate, then you have advanced ABCD.
What is the source of Ashtanga Yoga?
So Ashtanga Yoga, the series that we have today is designed by someone called Sri Patabi Joyce, who's no more in the world. Okay. His grandson, Sharadji, runs the Shala in Mysore now. Okay. It's called Sharadji's Yoga Center, Patabi Joyce Yoga Center, I think. And so that's one. And then there are lots of other schools in and around India who've maybe slightly tweaked that series to make it more balanced or cater it to certain type of students and so on and so forth. But overall, it's called Ashtanga Yoga. The difference may be कि आपकी सीरीज में ये आसन नहीं होगा, हमारी सीरीज में ये आसन होगा. या आपकी सीरीज में ये आसन का ये वेरिएशन होगा, हमारे इसमें ये इस तरह का वेरिएशन करते हैं.
And Hatha Yoga is supposed to be much more
calmer. You hold your asanas.
मतलब ऐसा लगता था कि ज़्यादा strong होगा वो.
नहीं, है strong and it feels intense because उसमें आपको जो आसन होते हैं वो ज़्यादा होल्ड करने पड़ते हैं. Whereas Ashtanga is more dynamic. It's a flow. So in an asan, if an asan is held in Hatha for about 3 minutes, you can hold an asan for up to 3 minutes if you want to.
Okay.
Ashtanga has just 5 breaths in it.
Acha.
But 5 breaths...
Ujjayi breaths or normal breaths?
Both. Some students prefer it, but if somebody says...
So 5 breaths, 5 to 8 breaths.
5 breaths. Counting hai usme. It's prefixed. Everything is prefixed.
3 minutes in Hatha Yoga is like solid.
If I ask you to stand still for 3 minutes, it's hard. It's hard. Standing still for 3 minutes, not doing anything.
Does it engage the core very well, Hatha Yoga?
Every asana engages the core very well. Because your bandhas are, there. Your bandhas are there.
Did your flexibility improve after yoga?
Of course.
Were you stiff? Like you said, were stiff, right?
I was stiff as a board. Like people, if somebody asked me, can you touch your toes? Now I can and more. But back then I couldn't go beyond my knees.
So this is very interesting because anybody who's feeling, stiff or pain and feeling कि अब तो नहीं हो सकता एक्सरसाइज मेरे लिए नहीं है, सब कुछ हो सकता है.
आप क्लास में आओ, सब कुछ हो जाएगा और you will be amazed at the miracles that your body can do.
Amazing.
Incredible. It's mind-blowing. And I think that's the beauty of the practice.
Okay.
That your practice is your practice and it's still amazing. And my practice is my practice and it's amazing. It's a self-realization tool.
So it's like diabetes, what you're saying is that cervical spondylosis, bulges are all lifestyle disorders.
100%.
आप सीधे बैठे नहीं हो, आपने कुछ, and it's also to do with food, right?
Food, nutrition, calcium, lifestyle, protein, so many things.
All of this.
So many
But
things.
Largely, we are concluding that corporate world mein, it's our own doing.
Sedentary lifestyle. Again, in corporate
one of the big reasons, one of the main reasons. Could be many more.
But yes. Yeah. Sedentary life. But overall, you pick up any person and if you tell them, do you have a sedentary lifestyle? Yes, they'll have health issues. So it's across
चाहे
everybody.
वो डॉक्टर है या एडिटर है या कॉर्पोरेट में कोई भी आप बैठे हो तो there's an issue.
Sedentary lifestyle.
Yeah. So what are the hacks? Let's say, okay, now we are on this topic. I am in corporate. our team is sitting here, you know, they are into filming and editing. What are the hacks? कि आपको 10 घंटे तो आप जॉब कर रहे हो, बैठना भी है, फिल्म भी आपको एडिट करनी है, प्रेजेंटेशंस भी बनानी है पावरपॉइंट पे. व्हाट आर द
15 मिनट है आपके पास सोशल मीडिया स्क्रॉल करने के लिए?
नहीं, वो तो मैं एक्सरसाइज समझ गई, क्या बोल रहे हो, एक्सरसाइज के लिए 15 मिनट. पर दिन में जब ऑफिस में बैठे हैं तो क्या कर सकते हैं? वॉक करो, यूज अ वॉल टू स्ट्रेच, यूज योर चेयर टू स्ट्रेच. ओके, सिंपल थिंग्स. डोंट जस्ट सिट. सो इफ यू आर टेकिंग अ ब्रेक, डोंट सिट एंड टेक अ ब्रेक because you've been working while sitting. What
only.
if everybody in the conference room is sitting? Looks a little odd. Like I'm one of the very few in my organizations. I stand. Right. And I stand to the extent that people have asked me कि आपको कोई problem है क्या?
Correct.
Like आप इतने restless क्यों?
Correct.
Yeah, bro, I'm not restless.
Yeah, I'm just standing.
Body is supposed to move.
Yeah.
Like I just find it odd right now also, honestly. Like I would rather like, okay, adjust and you know, just feel move. Like, okay, let the blood flow.
Right.
So, but लोग नहीं उठते हैं चारू. They're just stuck to the chair and I'm wondering कि 2 घंटा हो गया.
Movement is very unnatural to our country, to be very honest.
Is it?
What are our sources of entertainment? Cricket, movies, OTT. For us, going to a hike or a trek is an activity which you have to plan, which should not be the case. Right? Forget hike or a trek or a weekend activity. Climb up the stairs of your building 3 times.
Correct.
That's your movement for the day.
Correct.
So instead of thinking of it as, did I go to the gym today? Question yourself, have I moved today?
Yeah.
Right? If you're in the house, walk the longest length of your house for 5 minutes. That's your movement of the day.
Correct.
Right? If you're standing straight, knee taps, 5 minutes. Tell me you don't break a sweat. Right? You buy gym clothes, you buy sneakers, you buy fancy things.
For what?
For what? But you're not moving.
For the Insta selfies.
For the Insta selfies.
Sorry.
Right?
But
yeah. आपको सोने के लिए और योगा करने के लिए 3x6 की जगह चाहिए होती है, बाकी का घर आपका वेस्ट.
Lovely, no, I love this. Yeah, the yoga mat, and it was revolutionary during COVID.
Yeah,
like so I also practice yoga, meditation, and my first is meditation and pranayams and all which I do. And yoga, I fell in love with later.
Right.
I fell in love with meditation, pranayam first.
Right.
Very weird.
No, it's unnatural, but it's lovely to hear.
It is.
Yeah, yeah.
So 10 साल 10 years में ये था, और 10 years के बाद realization हुआ because maybe I started young.
Right.
Right. तो नहीं था like exercise ठीक है, I'm fit and all, so why do I need to do all of that?
हम पतले हैं तो हमें जरूरत क्या है?
हाँ. तो but now it's a power pack what I do in the morning.
Right.
Wake up at 5 and like 6 to 6. Okay, my 5:30 to 7. It's like a power pack thing which I give to myself. I've gifted to myself last 20 years.
Right.
And I know what you're saying when you're saying about the yoga mat.
Right.
उससे ज़्यादा आपको ज़िंदगी में चाहिए
नहीं चाहिए. आपका घर कितना भी बड़ा हो, आपको 6x3 की जगह चाहिए होती है सोने के लिए.
बिल्कुल.
Apart from that, I'm very sorry, I'm moving my hands too much.
That's okay. That's okay.
But apart from that, the rest of the house is not really that utilitarian, is it?
Yes.
Right. Your practice can open your life up for you. 3x6 की मैट होती है वो.
But tell me one thing, मतलब just for personally I'm asking.
Sure.
वो कौन सा वाला आसन है जो हेड पे करते हैं, headstand?
शीर्षासन.
I'm very scared of it.
You
after having spondylosis and bulges,
right,
you do that asan.
Yes.
And you do a lot more now.
Yes.
I haven't reached there, but like
you will. You could pick up any person on the road and teach them for 6 months and they can stand on their head. 6 months का 2 महीने में कर सकते हैं.
True.
Very true. Religious
practice. Is it because वो core muscle develop होती है and then you let go of
self awareness बड़ी हो जाती है, आपकी body awareness अच्छी हो जाती है. You are aware and you become more confident in your physical structure of being.
So is it कि हम जो नहीं कर रहे हैं exercise वो aware ही नहीं है कि body consciousness कुछ होता है?
नहीं कर रहे हैं.
तो कहाँ है? Mind कहाँ है?
ये तो खुद को पूछना पड़ेगा. That's why you practice. Because when you practice, you're in the present moment.
Correct.
You're not thinking about the future and anxious about it. You're not depressed about the past. You're in the current moment. And that's the hardest to do.
So you're saying health is when you are in the moment.
In the moment.
You'll have it.
You have it.
If you're looking for health.
Can you tell me what's going to happen 5 minutes after this?
No.
Can you change what happened before 5 minutes? You can't. What you can only do is this moment. Right.
And that is yoga mein to you've like in motion you've experienced that.
You've experienced that. Anybody will experience it. You have nothing but your body the sound of your own breath, and hopefully somewhere a sweat is dripping down the body and you're like, "Arey yaar, but nahi, come back to the present moment." It's a struggle, and yet there is a lovely sense of liberty in it, a freedom in it.
Like when you say freedom in it, is like multiple benefits, right? Ke pain khatam ho gayi, energy
pain
zyada
free,
hai,
energy,
you feel more like
mentally alert,
yes,
confident,
and scientifically
clarity.
lot of hormones are getting
hormones
secreted.
are in place, internal organs are in place. You'll have ये जो issues थी ना, digestion problem है, gas है,
correct,
these are silly problems.
Yeah,
these for me are silly problems, honestly, right? आप किसी भी योगा टीचर को पूछ लो कि आपको पिछली बार लास्ट टाइम व्हेन यू रिमेम्बर गैस एंड इंडाइजेशन हुआ था, ये सब हमें नहीं हो सकता. क्लीन स्क्वीक सिस्टम्स हैं, right?
But once you have gotten to one path which is of self discovery, in your case is yoga, that also sort of opens up other paths. These are all interlinked, right? Like for me, meditation led to yoga, and then yoga sort of led to Ayurveda. Ayurveda led to a lot many more things, and they were all like interconnected. Then it starts growing bigger and bigger and bigger, that
right
of knowledge, because आपको खाना जानना जरूरी है, फिर उससे benefit क्या होगा. Then Panchkarma is connected to it. So did that happen to you, or you were stuck to ke yoga?
So my lifestyle and the way I was raised was, and still is, the lifestyle at home is extremely simple and extremely grounded.
Okay.
I still have seasonal, normal ghar ka khana. Vegetarian. I've always been a vegetarian. My family does eat meat and they're non-vegetarians. But I coincidentally always have been always. I have no idea. My mom did try to... You
never ate meat?
I've never ate. My mom tried to feed me, but I didn't like the taste.
Protein kahan se aata hai?
Shake. Protein shake. They isolate.
Which one? I'm not advertising here, but I'm just curious to know.
NAC Pro.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Worked for me.
Easily
it took me
digestible.
time to come to it though.
Okay.
I tried plant-based and things like that.
Okay.
But this one worked for me.
Okay.
So yeah.
And daily?
On the days I do weights, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So along with yoga, you are doing
strength training now. I recently started.
Okay. Which is a must.
I wish somebody had told me when I was an 18-year-old girl to lift weights.
Why do you say so?
Oh, the strength and the way it builds your body is very, very different. So if I were to give someone an ideal movement routine, I'd say आप 3 दिन योगा करो, आप 3 दिन वेट ट्रेन करो, संडे को आप कुछ मत करो. संडे को बी अ वेजिटेबल, पोटैटो, ककड़ी, जो बनना है बनो, कुछ मत करो.
हाँ, उस दिन अकेला और
रेस्ट डे.
हाँ, बीन बैग बन सकते
हो, कुछ मत करो, रिमोट लो, चिप्स खाओ, जो करना है करो.
Right.
But yes.
Right. Okay. So one cheat day is allowed.
Yeah, and nobody is saying, see, fitness does not mean having a six-pack or a flat board stomach. Fitness means कि आपको नींद अच्छी आनी चाहिए. Yeah, right? Your systems are in place. आप अगर एक heavy meal खाते हो, you're not sitting with antacids the next day and आप 2 दिन हल्का खा रहे हो क्योंकि बहुत खा लिया.
Correct.
You put in anything, you should be able to digest it.
Yes.
Right? No issues like anxiety. Mental health is so much also a part of how you physically feel about yourself. And so much more. I'm yet to see someone who is extremely mentally and sort of clear with physical movement in place and a balanced life having mental health issues. Very rarely.
So for you, it is linked to physical
everything is
activity.
Linked 100%. On a bad day, you will find me on the mat.
More.
I will, no matter what it is, I will. I'm yet to have a practice that I've regretted.
Okay. I think for you, like how you are passionate about yoga, I'm passionate about meditation.
Right.
So for me, that has been that go-to,
sit through it.
Sit through it.
You have to face it. Because, and I've been there, right? I'm feeling blah on a Friday night. बहुत काम है मेरी life यार, क्या हो गया? All this, I've been through it, and I'm like, let's just go and have a couple of drinks or a couple of beers or something, and I'll forget it, and then, well, Monday, I'm still going to face it.
Yes. It's a rut.
You have to sit through it. You have to pass through it. You have to pass through the discomfort and you have to let the discomfort pass through you. It works both ways.
And then you are just observing.
And then you're observing.
Whether you're doing through your yoga, meditation,
whatever it is. Somebody could go for a run. Somebody could dance. Somebody could sit in pranayam. Somebody could meditate. Somebody could do asana practice. Somebody could do gardening.
Yes.
Somebody could do cooking.
Or listen to this podcast. No, just kidding.
Or listen to the podcast. But you have to sit through it.
Yes.
You can't run away from it. You have to face it. Whatever it is.
Yes. So all the hacks of new age are basically we are running away from reality.
We are running away from it. And kitna bhagoge aap? At some point, it's going to catch up. At some point. Right? My point is, why do you want to run?
Yeah. What is the message to youngsters, Charu? Because while you've lived your journey, I lived mine, we can be inspiring for others. But there are kids who are just starting out, right? Gen Zs especially. In my experience, brilliant lot. But in terms of resilience, I think it's low. It's low, and it's very low compared to what the world requires from them.
You know, I have very boring answers to this.
Please give.
But one is get into training or sport.
Okay.
And get into a team sport. It teaches you how to lose gracefully. It teaches you how to celebrate someone else's win. Right? It teaches you how to appreciate a good game. So one is a sport.
Yeah.
And a competitive sport.
Okay.
The other is pick up an activity that you enjoy and can pursue, not necessarily making money out of it.
Okay.
Could be music, could be art, could be anything. Whatever fancies you. If you're talented about something, writing stories, illustrating, gaming, कुछ भी हो, किसी में तो आपकी natural inclination होगी, हर बच्चे की होती है, right? Which may not necessarily develop into a career, right?
But it's channelizing your energy somehow.
But it's channelizing your energies, right? Instead of jumping here and there on the road on a bike,
yes,
put your mental energies to something that you enjoy, right? So that's one. And I think be okay with rejection and not having an instant gratification scheme to life.
Which is the trend
I
these
feel
days.
A massive problem with the youth these days.
Yes, it's instant chahiye.
Instant chahiye, sab kuch. And that's also come with online.
The technology and social media.
And yes.
Like, comment, share.
Like, share, subscribe.
Yeah.
कोई comment कर रहा है, आप immediately respond कर रहे हो. क्यों? क्यों कर रहे हो
immediately
respond?
The dopamine going up and then
correct,
it's dropping.
And you feel good about it. And well, is it leading to something? I understand कि अगर वो business होता, you know, कि inquiry आई है.
I think that's true. You know, like what 10-20 years ago, at least वो सब हमें manage करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती थी. This is an additional thing for you.
Landline
like my kid, I'm not kidding. 7 years old. He's like, he sees a picture. Like I'm going through images, right? He's like, Mama, like.
Correct. Right?
So,
right.
You know, so like I'm saying this is not online.
Correct.
This is just my gallery.
Yeah.
And I'm going through images. So
it's there.
It's at that age, you know, they are getting exposed. Not that I've taught him.
Right.
But it's a big deal. It's like, okay, deal. Like and getting comment is
and
like
getting
a big
comment.
Deal.
Validation.
Yeah.
Do people like me? I want the world to like me. No, the world doesn't owe you anything. Anything at all. It doesn't. And I don't think they realize.
Don't feel privileged.
Yeah, you're not. You have no privileges. And this could all go in the snap of a moment tomorrow. What are you going to do then? Right?
Actually, you know what you just said? And maybe now wisdom is on my side and your side. It's like all the preparation is for those moments in life where you're actually falling down.
Yeah.
It's not for the moments when you're happy and everything is going fine.
Correct.
All this preparation, whether on a yoga mat or whatever this knowledge which you're talking about, is to prepare you for that moments in life. Those moments in life.
Right. Sustainable.
Yeah.
Survive.
Yeah.
Sustain.
Yeah.
And with grace and decency.
Yeah.
You don't have to be we're not savages living in caves anymore.
Right.
You can be elegant about it. You can be calm about it.
Yes.
But if you lose yourself thinking मेरे साथ ही कैसे हो सकता है, क्यों नहीं हो सकता भाई? कौन है आप?
बिल्कुल.
है ना? क्यों नहीं हो सकता आपके साथ?
बिल्कुल.
आपके साथ जो हुआ है, तो आपके पास इतना जो आपने जिया है, we are hoping that you now have the means to deal with it. If you don't have the means to deal with it, what have you been doing so far? Right?
Yeah.
Right? If at 40 years of age, somebody at work gets rejected,
yeah,
why are you so shocked?
Yeah.
Why do you think you can't be rejected? Right? And this is something that being a teacher taught me.
Okay.
You know, just because I'm a teacher doesn't mean I am everyone's ideal teacher. There might be a student out there who might not be able to connect with me.
Not vibing with you.
Not vibing
any
with
reason,
me. Yeah. And so, big deal. That's fine. Here, so what am I going to do? Am I going to be angry about it? Arey, tumne mujhe reject kaise kar diya?
Yes.
How can you say that I'm not your type of teacher? Maybe you're not trying anymore. Or maybe you're not trying hard enough. No.
Yeah.
Hey, here are some few teachers who maybe can vibe with you. Why don't you try them?
Yeah.
And you can give my reference if you want.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So that's how I would look at it.
Yeah.
And I've done that.
Yeah.
And the community does that. There are students and teachers who've sent their students to me because they didn't vibe with them.
They feel that they'll vibe better with you.
Right? At the end of the day, यार ये student को कोई teacher मिल जाए बस. Because this student is keen on movement.
Because
so
you
let's
are
get
sticking
them
to
moving.
the purpose rather than the benefit you'll get from that person.
Right.
Very, very nice.
Right.
How's been your teaching experience?
Incredible.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So you've been teaching for 5 years now?
5 years.
You started during COVID?
During COVID, I came back from Mysore.
Yeah.
And I walked into COVID. So back then I lived in Bangalore in this apartment and जो clubhouse sort of होता है वहाँ मैंने 2 classes लिए और तीसरे क्लास के लिए मैं गई और वहाँ पे बोर्ड लगाया था due to COVID the club is going to be shut.
Okay.
So I was like यार अब this was my new earning avenue.
Yeah.
Because I'm going to now not do corporate anymore.
Correct.
So I did the first thing that came to my head and I'm like online. So my first class was on WhatsApp video, 40 minutes in this tiny space of my bedroom. And I'm not joking. I logged off that class and I knew I was meant for this.
Okay.
I knew I was meant for this. I was born to do this. I was born to teach exactly this.
Okay.
I knew it.
Okay.
And I never looked back. I never doubted it. It was just a matter of becoming, better at it in terms of getting more students to be financially sustainable, But I knew I was right. I had made the right decision.
Yeah.
I was very clear.
This actually has happened during COVID, right? Because when you were so like, everything has stopped, the world has been put on pause. And us time pe, if you're sticking with something and with passion, it has to sustain for long time.
Yeah. Anything you do with passion and if you enjoy it, you'll never get bored of doing it.
That's true.
You will look for more ways to be better at it.
Yeah.
You will look for more ways to be, widen your experience a little bit. So what I do is I go to new teachers, new senior teachers to learn.
Yeah.
Or the teachers might be the same experience as me, but they are maybe teaching some new format.
Or they could, their
style could be different.
Style could be different. Yeah.
Kuch nahi to, they might tell me 5 new ways of how to stand straight. I don't know. And maybe there's some student who needs that one cue that I'm not able to give them.
Nice.
And then they find that connect.
Nice.
Right.
So continuously you are upgrading.
It's always and it's the human body, so it's not going anywhere.
Yes.
You don't have to take a computer and upgrade it.
Yeah.
You have to teach your own body to connect your big toe to your right shoulder to the back of the ear and say, okay, is my posture straight?
Yeah.
Your body, your weapon, your astra shastra is you.
Correct. So you're in Bangalore now or you're in Bombay?
I'm in Mumbai now. I'm based out of Thane.
And that's where you're conducting your classes?
Yeah, I take it online.
You take it online?
I only teach online.
Okay.
Yeah. I never looked back after COVID.
Okay.
Yeah, never had to. My students are from everywhere. They came from everywhere.
It's outside India as well?
Outside India as well. I have students from Singapore. I had a student from Estonia. I'm not joking. I had to look on the bloody map where that city is and the country is. Because why would you look at Estonia? Right? You know where Australia is. You know where Singapore is. But Estonia, kahan se login kar rahi hai bhai?
Yeah.
But and they spoke to each other and they all came word of mouth. And until very recently, about a year back, is somebody told me, they're like, yaar, thoda promote karna padta hai. So I was like, yaar, I have to promote now. Ye bhi promotion aa gaya. Phir se main bech rahi hu. But it was a need of the hour, so I said, okay, let's just do it. But yeah, they came from everywhere. So how are you
promoting your
courses? I am not somebody who makes those speaking video reels, and I absolutely,
because we couldn't find any.
I abhor making them, and I will, as long as I can, I'm not going to make them.
You write well.
Thank you.
I think you've been blogging.
Yes, a little, but and the writing also, I think, became more clear when I practiced more. So it came from my practice. What I felt and how I thought came from my practice.
Yes, it's a soul talk.
It's a soul talk.
Yeah.
Yeah. My writings are my musings on the mat.
Yeah.
So it's just that.
Understood.
Yeah.
That's a nice title.
It is actually the title of my blog. Somewhere I made one on Medium and I forgot about it because I forgot writing, and it's just put up on Instagram.
Okay.
But yeah, I think it sums it up.
Okay. But how are you advertising? Because
just on Instagram. I do the one odd off boost post. I'm not even into campaigns and all of that.
Okay.
I'm not very tech savvy. I'm very old school.
Okay.
And that's about it. But honestly, for me, it mattered more that people came word of mouth. And they never left at all.
So like your oldest student is 5 years now?
4 for sure.
4 years.
Yeah.
Okay.
And like the daughter joined, and then she got her mom, and the mom got her friends, and the friend got her daughter-in-law, and the daughter-in-law got her sister. And
nice.
So it just went from...
Why do they like you? Sorry. But why do you think they stuck around?
I think connect.
You're connecting.
I think it's just connect.
You do one-on-one sessions also?
I do one-on-one sessions also.
If they're getting stuck at any stage?
That rarely happens. But see, that's the beauty of the practice. Even if you get stuck, you're still moving.
Tell me, online, you're making the person do a headstand.
Right.
Scary?
I'm hoping for them it's not.
They've done?
Yeah, I've taught 50-plus-year-old.
What is it called? Shoulder stand, headstand, handstand, everything, right?
Yeah, everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
Amazing, yeah?
Yeah. So it's another thing that we online teachers say, right? Post-COVID, one thing I feel is we've learned that, especially for corporate, काम हो रहा था ना कोविड में.
बिल्कुल, सब कुछ हुआ है.
सब कुछ हुआ है.
कुछ रुका नहीं.
तो हम फिर क्यों ऑफिस में बुला रहे हैं 5 दिन लोगों को?
मुद्दा तो यही है.
Why? Why are we calling people? If they had a work-life balance, if they could do everything, spend more time with their parents, kids, have a balanced family life, why not?
Yeah.
Sure, you can tell me, यार 5 दिन मैं घर पे नहीं बैठ सकती हूँ. आप 2 दिन घर पे बैठो. 3 दिन ऑफिस जाओ.
Yeah.
That's still decent amount of work-life balance.
Yeah. And at least, so we have a hybrid work-life.
That's amazing.
And I think my team, we do 3 times a week.
Right. Most companies do that.
2 times, I'm telling you, I'm much more mobile, much more active. I'm walking around, I'm taking calls, and obviously they're stepping out for meetings the way I schedule those days. It's just the body feels different. Because मैं AC का भी बंद कर देती हूँ बीच में for longer hours. Just fan is on or the windows open.
And you're at home. You're at home with your son, with whoever. Your presence is there.
Yes.
And that's something with movement, right? If COVID has taught us anything, your gym has come to your living room. All that's left is for you to move. What are you still waiting for? Time नहीं है, पर back pain और neck stiffness है हमारा. So how much more do you want the universe to come and
tell you things, and knock on your door
and knock on your door?
जागो.
और कितना करें?
Yeah, I in the washroom today in office, there was this girl. ऐसा पकड़ के ना neck को
stretching.
क्या हुआ? Like दर्द हो रहा है. I said क्या exercise कर लो? Exercise कर रहा है कि
right. हाँ ठीक है. I went to the bank this morning. Okay, I was applying for something and she said, "Ma'am, आप क्या करते हो?" I said, "I'm a yoga teacher." And the minute you say you're a yoga teacher, like, "Ma'am, वजन कम होगा क्या?" I said, "खाना कम होगा?" She like, "Ma'am, मैं तो खाती हूँ." मैंने थोड़ा कम खाया करो और ना एक्सरसाइज करती हूँ. मैम उसके लिए टाइम ही नहीं मिलता. मैं सुबह 8 बजे निकलती हूँ, रात को मैं बैंक में काम करती हूँ, मैं रात को 9:30 बजे घर पहुँचती हूँ. ऐसे 8 बजे के पहले क्या करती हूँ? मैम मैं 7 बजे उठती हूँ. मैं 6 बजे उठा करो. करोगे?
और इंस्टाग्राम थोड़ा कम कर दो.
Instagram. And I say this to everybody who tells me they don't have time. Do you have 30 minutes to scroll on social media? Then you have time to work out.
Yeah. It's all about priorities. Yeah.
It's about and
time हमारे पास सब चीज के लिए होता है.
100%. If I tell you tomorrow कि 4 बजे आपका कॉल टाइम है, आप पहुंच जाओगे ना?
पहुंच जाओ.
राइट 7 बजे आपकी मीटिंग है, आपको 7 बजे लॉग इन करना है, आप पहुंच जाओगे ना.
बिल्कुल.
तो आप अपनी हेल्थ के लिए क्यों नहीं कर पा रहे हो? दिस इज फॉर योर सेल्फ. आई एम नॉट गेटिंग एनीथिंग आउट ऑफ इट.
व्हाई आर पीपल नॉट अवेयर? बॉडी तो यही है ना, बॉडी के अंदर ही है.
हैबिट
एंड
एनवायरमेंट.
अब तो एनवायरमेंट में बहुत कुछ है.
घर का एनवायरमेंट कहाँ चेंज हुआ है?
ओके, our parents are still.
घर का एनवायरनमेंट चेंज नहीं हुआ है. It takes, and I said this in a recent class because I had a student who has 2 kids, 2 nannies, a working husband, and the kids are fairly young, so she works from home.
Okay.
And she is not from India, so she logs in from outside India. And I said, in between class, I can see the household happening in the background on the screen. And I said, and after that, we were chatting about something. And I said, today was, I'm glad you practiced. And I'm so proud of you that you showed up because it looked like a hectic day in your house. And she said, Charu, it takes the whole household for the woman to get an hour alone. Right? It takes the whole household to help so that she gets 1 hour to herself to practice. और ये वो घर पे कर रही है. वो तैयार होके गाड़ी निकल के बाहर नहीं जा रही है कि उसको पार्क करना है, ट्रैफिक में अटकेगी, कुछ नहीं. उसको अपनी बेडरूम से अपने लिविंग रूम में आना है. Right? But for all of that, for that 1 hour of her own schedule in her own house, it takes the rest of the household to participate. But that is
the reality, Charu.
It is.
I'll tell you what, like whether working mom or single mom or having a husband around or no husband around.
Right.
The reality is the multitasking the woman goes through. Right. So बच्चे के बारे में सोच रही है, अपना ऑफिस की सोच रही है, ये सोच रही है, वो सोच रही है. उसमें अगर हेल्थ को प्रायोरिटाइज नहीं करेगी ना, this problem will happen. And somewhere women are not prioritizing health.
They're not, because they've never been taught to. Now I think the newer generation,
there's a guilt attached to it.
There's a guilt attached to it. Yes. मैं नहीं करूंगी तो कौन करेगा? या जितना अच्छा मैं कर सकती हूँ उतना अच्छा कोई और नहीं कर सकता. Why? I think it's also conditioning. Years and years of conditioning. It's quite horrific.
And taking that 1 hour to go to the gym also comes with a lot of guilt.
And it's not 1 hour. Shelter. It's half an hour before that, half an hour after that. So आप 2 घंटे निकाल रहे हो.
Yeah.
But which is why I say that if the gym has or the movement has come to your living room, अब इसमें और क्या कर सकते हैं हम? What more can we do? Right? Right? So, and we're not asking you to like, work out for an hour every day. आप 15 मिनट कर लो. आप अगर किसी दिन टाइम मिले तो आप 20 मिनट कर लो. किसी दिन टाइम नहीं मिले
रखो,
10 मिनट कर लो. आप 10 मिनट आपके पास नहीं है, कौन है? Right? 10 मिनट कर लो.
And the pity of it is like we're talking about 20s, 30s, 40s में problem हो रही है. When you reach 60s, 70s, you can not even imagine the life
correct
coming your way.
We are not even asking older women to do this. Right? We're asking young people while they still have the capacity to do it.
Yeah.
Right? So how much more can we do?
Yeah.
And if you say, or if the woman puts her foot down and says 15 मिनट में कुछ नहीं कर रही हूँ, आप सब लोग अपना अपना मैनेज कर लो,
तो वर्ल्ड विल एडजस्ट.
द वर्ल्ड हैज टू एडजस्ट.
हो जाता है.
पर आप खुद ही नहीं कर पा रहे हो.
Actually, I want you to say that in the camera right now, seriously, because this is space where the issue is.
Yeah.
That guilt women are carrying for centuries and centuries now, literally.
Right.
You have to take out time for yourself. Yeah.
Correct. And you can't, because unless and until you do it, nobody is going to do it for you.
And your daughter's watching.
And your
son is watching.
Your son is watching.
Yeah, like you said, right? You said your dad used to do bodybuilding and he was taking care of you guys. He was a provider. And you saw that exercise was part of lifestyle.
It was a very normal thing.
Yeah.
My mother used to go for walks. So for her, at that time, खाना बनाना, घर संभालना, बच्चों का देखना, plus husband, plus all of that. And she was a working woman. But the household responsibilities did not change.
Yeah.
It's that generation, right? तो आपको नौकरी करनी है, आप करो. लेकिन आपको घर भी संभालना पड़ेगा.
Yeah.
So she's from that generation. In spite of all of that, she still managed to take 15 minutes out and walk the length of the house, which is where my example comes from. Because I've seen her walk 15 minutes
self-love.
up and down the house.
Then it comes down to self-love, right? How and self-aware and self-love you have.
Yeah. And it could be anything. You want a glass of water, go and take it yourself. Whatever you need, you know where this is your house, you know where the kitchen is, you know where what is. Help yourselves. Right? And this we were expected to sort of educate, become good at our jobs, but my parents also made sure I did all the household activities. तुमको झाड़ू पोछा बर्तन खाना बनाना सब कुछ करना है, तुमको फ्यूचर में जाके ये करना पड़े कि नहीं ये तुम्हारे
बट पता होना चाहिए,
पर तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए, because tomorrow what if this all goes.
Correct. नहीं, that is one, and second the thing is, see, like India में we make a big deal about it. If you are outside India, because I stayed for 7-8 years,
there's no maid.
अरे आपको खुद ही करना है सब कुछ, तो बचपन से सब खुद करते हैं. आप IKEA में जाओ, फर्नीचर लेके आओ, आपको खुद लेके आना है घर में, सब मैट्रेस खुद चढ़ानी है. Exactly, सब करना है. यहाँ इंडिया में हम थोड़े ज्यादा privileged हैं, pampered हैं, but that's not the case outside. People really do a lot of hard work.
Yes, they do.
And when you said ना that activity तो Indians के lifestyle में है ही नहीं, क्योंकि बाहर आप अपना काम भी कर रहे हो,
correct,
आप सब कुछ कर रहे हो, you hiking, walking, trekking, so it's become part of the lifestyle only.
Correct. Weekend market, grocery. यहाँ पे हम घर बैठ के धनिया ऑर्डर कर रहे हैं.
हाँ, Blinkit.
It's true. Blinkit.
It's not an ad.
Right?
It's not good.
Yeah. But पहले at least you had that morning sort of a schedule. Like my parents still do it, and I'm sure a lot of people of the generation do it.
Bag लेके जाएंगे,
थैली लेके जाएंगे, सुबह का दूध, सब्जी, उस दिन की सब्जी लेके आएंगे,
टटोल के देखेंगे पहले,
हाँ,
ये ठीक है कि नहीं.
So that is his.
वो तो कल्चर ही खत्म हो गया.
वो कल्चर ही खत्म हो गया.
Like I'm telling you myself, I'm talking about myself here. I'm guilty of it.
Yeah.
धनिया खरीदा है. अबे क्या करूँ?
क्या करेंगे?
You have a kid to drop in the morning.
Correct.
I have to leave before the traffic hits me in Bombay. Yeah. I'm like, maid is saying धनिया नहीं है मैम, अंडा नहीं है मैम.
Correct.
मैं order करूँगी उससे.
Correct.
There's no choice left, and especially in cities like these. Yeah.
So those kind of habits, I think we've lost out somewhere. And I understand that. See, it's easy for me to say maybe that. आप ये नहीं कर रहे हो, आप वो नहीं कर रहे हो, because I don't have a 9 to 5 to go to.
Correct.
My work is at my home. My traffic is my maid brooming in the corridor. Because my bedroom से living room जा रही हूँ class लेने के लिए.
Correct.
तो वो जब बीच में झाड़ू पोछा लगा रही, she's my traffic. That's the traffic I face. So when I saw car subway today, I was like, हो क्या गया है भाई?
Wow, I'm jealous now.
Yeah. I was like, sorry. I'm like, हो क्या गया है? So somebody may say, oh, but your life is about movement.
Yes.
You teach movement. Yes. So it's easy for you. आपको बाकी कुछ करना नहीं है. No, yes. I live by myself and I do everything alone. I wake up at 5. I make my own tea. I make my own breakfast. I prep my lunch. I meal plan on Sundays. Meal plan. You want to improve the way you eat and live. Meal plan on Sundays. Make it a family activity if you have to. Involve the kids. Ask them उनकी favorite सब्जी क्या है, उनको क्या खाना है. And if you have a cook, please get them to make it. But involve the family in meal planning.
So meal planning for the week.
For the entire week.
Nice, lovely.
And you make it a Sunday activity to take either your parents, if they live with you, or your kid, and take them to the bazaar. Let them know कहाँ से आ रहा है खाना.
Yeah, this is like farm to table.
Right.
There's content on TLC. Correct. And fancy documentaries which we watch. कितना अच्छा है. Kylie Cloak.
ये हमारी रोज की लाइफ थी बॉम्बे में और इंडिया में in general.
अब नहीं रही है.
But the market hasn't gone anywhere.
But you think let's do a hybrid on this also, right? Maybe the hack is कि weekend में चले जाओ.
हाँ.
कम से कम बच्चे को वो experience दे दो जो हमें मिला था.
एक weekend की वो activity हो जाती है, right? Because the kid gets a cut fruit in his plate.
Correct.
Or is fed, and that is natural, right? I have an elder sister and she has a young son and she does the same, and she's always running around and struggling for time.
Correct.
So we've done this with him. Okay, Sunday ko we will have breakfast and the whole family goes down to the sabzi wala.
Nice.
And everybody will contribute in the meal planning. So your meal plan may have one green leafy vegetable, one sprout.
Yeah.
आपकी पोस्ट डिनर या पोस्ट लंच, इफ यू आर अ वर्किंग पर्सन देन आपका मे बी लंच में एक फ्रूट होगा.
करेक्ट.
तो प्लान द फ्रूट.
Yeah, so everyone's involvement sort of brings in that energy to the food also, right?
Correct.
नहीं तो food तो सिर्फ ये हो गया कि मेड बना रही है, टेबल पे आ रहा है, हम खा रहे हैं.
We don't even know what energy
I just stop for 2 seconds, these days, and my son asks me, आप क्या करते हो? I shut my eyes and I say, I go back to the farmer in my mind कि वो उगा रहा है उसको, वहाँ से वो फार्म मतलब वहाँ पे शॉप पे जा रहा है, शॉप से फिर in gratitude to my office also giving me money, no?
Correct.
Then I'm buying.
Correct.
Then to my maid cooking. Correct. And then it's coming to my table and I told them कि ये पूरा सफर है.
हाँ.
तो you know I just want to bring awareness to this food going in my body.
Right.
It has lived its journey.
Correct.
And I want to give due attention.
Correct.
So stuff like this, right?
Simple
small
things.
Steps. Yeah.
Why do we all say माँ का हाथ का खाना सबसे अच्छा क्यों होता है?
वही
प्यार से बनाया.
पूरा awareness से बनाया.
It is energy that she's put and love and affection that she's put into it. You have no idea what energy your maid or your cook is putting into it.
Yeah.
Right? Treat her kindly. That's the least we can do. Treat her kindly. The person who's cooking your food.
Yeah.
She's technically your Andanata, right? So she's making your food for you.
Correct.
Be nice to her.
Yeah.
Right. And this family activity is something that I saw it on Instagram, the irony of it all.
Really?
Yeah. I meal plan for myself.
Okay.
I live by myself, so I meal plan for myself.
Do you change it every week?
The meal plan?
Yeah.
Every week. I don't repeat my lunches or my dinners. If you see my fridge,
but no, like a breakfast you'll keep saying?
No, it changes.
Lovely.
Yeah. My fridge is empty because I don't have stale food.
So you are one of those, and I did that for a while when I was doing very deeper meditation. Like every meal fresh बनाओ वो खत्म हो जाएगा फिर उसके साथ.
तभी खत्म हो जाएगा.
Fresh बनाओ फिर खाओ क्योंकि sattvic energy is in fresh food.
Is in hot meal cooked and eaten at that point.
So you won't eat leftovers or you won't eat
it's not that, I mean, when I go to my mom's house, for example.
Preference is to eat fresh food.
But even my mom's house, my parents' house, fresh food. तभी का तभी बन जाता है और खा लेते हैं. So my fridge is pretty empty. If I have guests over, I have to helter-skelter run around and I have to, like, oh my God, I'm not what kya karoon. But if you ask me to fix a homemade meal, that's the easiest thing for me to do.
You know, this takes me back to the time when I was outside India. तो वहाँ पे all these shops.
Frozen.
नहीं, उसका range है ना. आप ऑफिस से आ रहे हो.
हाँ.
आप कार्ट अंदर ले गए.
हाँ.
वहाँ पे आपको vegetables, raw vegetables, फिर raw vegetables के बाद cut vegetables, cut के बाद boiled, boiled के बाद fried, fried के बाद frozen, frozen के बाद frozen meals. So whatever you want to spend time,
how much ever time you
ले लो.
15
मिनट है तो ये वाला खरीद लो.
वो यहाँ पे भी हो गया ना.
कितना convenience है.
Correct. Right.
Which is good. I'm not saying it's bad, but the whole point of connecting with your food and feeling that, you know, I don't necessarily want chopped vegetable. I want to chop it myself with love and care. वो नहीं रहा है. चारू.
Involve your kids. Get them friendly scissors and ask them to do simple things.
They love it.
Coriander cut करो, किसी के पत्ते निकाल दो. थोड़ा messy हो जाएगा, ठीक है. But the child will be engaged. They will know where their food is coming from. And it will be there'll be very less of मुझे ये नहीं खाना, मुझे वो नहीं खाना. Because the child has seen it. If you involve the child कि आज तुम्हें क्या खाना है टिफिन में, it is less likely that the child will reject that food.
Correct.
Right?
It's their,
because they've picked it up. You've also taught them responsibility. You've also taught them being accountable for their own decisions.
Because they've gone to the shop, they picked up that vegetable. It was their choice.
It was their choice. Right? And kids love to be treated as adults. मैं बच्चा नहीं हूँ. ठीक है, तो आप adult हो, तो हम आपको adult की तरह treat करेंगे. It's incredible how just that shift in decision making and involving different members of the family changes the way your meal feels and structures around the week.
Lovely.
It's incredible.
Lovely. Yeah. You know, we've had many guests on the show who come from fitness background and bodybuilders and nutritionists, dietitian. Everyone sort of has said that food does play a very integral role to fitness, health.
Yeah.
It is integrated. Uske bina to you cannot disconnect the two.
You can't.
And for you, obviously, now the way you're talking, it seems that that also has you focused completely on
also foodie family.
Conscious farming to conscious
consumption.
Consumption.
Yes.
And you're a foodie family.
Foodie family. Absolutely. There are times I'm still a foodie. There are times when I know that this is my breakfast on Wednesday morning, for example, and because I meal plan, I know that I wake up and I'm like, breakfast mein mujhe ye milega. I'm already excited about it. So I eat and I look forward to my food.
Yeah, Mumbai mein a person like you, impossible.
I know.
slow living and being connected and being aware of,
it takes effort, it takes sacrifices. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. But I feel very content and I feel very free and light, and I wouldn't want it any other way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Message to women who want to get into what you're teaching right now, want to become yoga trainers, what should they do?
Train.
Okay.
Go to a reputed school. Go to a teacher that you connect with. Find a teacher who resonates your intrinsic values as a human being, and something that you would want to share with when you teach someone. It's a very big responsibility. And spend time teaching yourself and spend time making mistakes. When you're teaching someone, you need to know the mistakes more than getting it right, because the student is not going to get it in the first go.
Absolutely.
So you need to know where they will go wrong before you know when they'll get it right.
Yes.
They will get it right.
Yes.
But गलत कर रहे हैं तो वो आपको बताना पड़ेगा. So you need to be able to practice the wrong way, to become aware of the mistakes, and then be able to teach it. And
so you have to go through the entire
you have to
arc to reach there.
Right. So somebody's knee is not straightening. You need to practice what it feels like to not have a straight knee and do it.
Tell me, there's also a resistance from senior citizens to actually exercise and learn new things. I mean, that's a whole new chapter opened up for me after my mom's had like a bit of a
health
issue with her, health. And then I realized it is an issue with senior citizens, because jitni knowledge shayad hame hai, muscle, movement, all of this us age group mein nahi hai. And for them it was walking, like your mom's been walking. That used to be enough of an exercise.
Right.
But technically it's not enough.
It's not.
So I just want to also say that, to from this platform, if people are listening, that to tell their parents also to be active as much as possible.
Basic joint movements karao. And there are people who specialize in senior citizen programs.
Okay.
Or they are senior citizen teachers.
Okay.
So get in touch with them. Instead of spending that much money on medicines for your parents, spend that money on that class so that they don't need those medicines.
It's a different sort of physiotherapy or a yoga, which is
it's the same yoga. It's the same thing, but Sukshma Vyayam. Agar jisi ke, for example, if somebody has knee issues, right? So there is a Surya Namaskar to sit on a chair and do it for senior citizens.
Lovely.
What more do you want?
Lovely.
Right?
Amazing.
You can use a wall for support. You can use a whole person next to you for support. If you have crutches or if you have the supporting walking thing, you can use that and you can do it. There are so many ways. You can lie down and do it.
Nice.
So there is some yoga for everybody.
पर वो learn करना पड़ेगा, right? ऐसे तो नहीं है कि आप अपना normal reflexes से सीख जाओगे.
नहीं, वो आपको कोई सिखा देगा. You'll have a teacher who will teach you.
And once you learn, then you practice.
And then you practice. Yeah. Or if you're someone who says that I'm not that motivated and I don't have that self discipline कि मैं खुद से करूँ, कोई बात नहीं. अब दवाई के पैसे टीचर को दे दो, आपको दवाई की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. Right? It's
lovely message.
Right?
Lovely message.
It's something my teacher told us. If you get a senior citizen student, take them. Don't reject them. They will bless you. And they have, Sharja. They have.
In your classes, you have had?
Yeah. I've had a senior citizen person who couldn't sit, walk, anything. Joint pains and basic simple exercises karati thi. And that person slowly over a year and a half doesn't need those medicines now.
Amazing.
Right? Digestion issues नहीं है, gases और ये सारी issues नहीं है, तो दवाई अब नहीं लेनी पड़ती है. So that person is more pleasant and less irritable because their health is better.
Absolutely.
Right? And who wouldn't want that?
Yes.
Nobody wants to be consciously and by choice a whiny, complaining person.
Yes.
Nobody wants to be that. Right? And nobody wants to be around people who are always like that.
Yeah.
Because what in the new age language, they say, bro, fix your shit. Well, fix your shit,
and fix your shit from all age groups.
Or from all age groups.
I think yoga is for all age groups. Like we said, from a 7-year-old to 100-year-old, please go for it.
Go for it.
It is a one go-to hack.
Yes. First half is
one for all.
Right. So your first half is of your life and your health and your physical capacity and ability is to practice asanas, for example. And then once your body is fit and you don't have those issues,
then you can go for higher
pranayam karo, meditate karo, because your body and your mind is calmer as you grow older, you're wiser.
Yeah.
You don't have that angst, you don't have that ambition, you don't have that irritability, you don't have all those things, right?
Yeah.
So it's easier for a 50, 55, 60-year-old person to sit calmly in a chair and do pranayam than it is for a 26-year-old.
Yes,
right?
Absolutely.
Because they're naturally more inclined to it. But for that to happen, they have to have a fit body and be able to sit and be comfortable like that.
Correct.
Right. So
like what you're saying about having a fit body to be able to do meditation. Like all the yoga camps I used to go for, meditation camps, the first thing they used to make us do is a lot of seva.
Right.
कि सेवा कर करके ना अपना बॉडी तोड़ दो.
Correct.
उसके बाद आप जब बैठोगे तो मेडिटेट तो हो ही जाएगा.
Correct. Correct.
So activity and movement इतना important है.
Inherent.
Like these days we keep talking about mindfulness, meditation, everybody is talking about it, but वो नहीं होगा जब तक आपको बॉडी फिट नहीं होगा, बॉडी में फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी नहीं होगी, एनर्जी इज नॉट मूविंग. Please make your body fit first, even before you sit down to meditate.
Yes, that's right.
Your definition of unstoppable spirit.
Oh wow!
Since you are unstoppable.
My definition would be to be curious and pursue it. Okay. I think for me it was that.
Okay.
Be curious and then pursue it. And if you're doing it well, the chances of you failing are very less. You have to be very clear about your purpose. And it's okay if you don't know your purpose, right? Somebody say, "यार मुझे पता ही नहीं मेरी life में purpose क्या है."
हाँ.
Good, that's your first step.
Okay.
Try to find your purpose.
Okay.
Purpose तो मिल जाएगा.
हाँ.
इस life में कुछ नहीं होगा तो इस life में purpose मिल जाएगा. अगली life में ना purpose वो आप chase करना. Right?
पर शुरुआत
शुरू तो करो.
Curiosity is the starting point for you.
What are kids curious about? They're curious. They're curious. They don't think इसके आगे क्या है, मिट्टी में हाथ डालूंगी तो क्या होगा. इतना सोचते नहीं है. They're curious.
Correct.
Right? So be curious. And I think focus and sincerity and dedication, these are very old school values, to be honest. It sounds very boring and textbook-ish. Dedication रखना चाहिए, sincere बनना चाहिए. But tell me what works. If not this, what else works? Are you telling me you've succeeded by being not sincere? Or you've not been dedicated to your work? You tell me. You've done so much.
Yeah.
If you were not that dedicated, would you have reached here?
I call it consistency.
Consistency.
I think that's worked for me.
Right.
Irrespective of the results. Show up.
Show up.
Yeah.
Show up. Don't.
Irrespective of the feelings and emotions of that day.
Right. That's
keep showing
discipline.
Up. Yeah, that's
you show up. You show up. And I think that's why being unstoppable, I think more is a mental game than anything else.
So it's a muscle which you have to keep training.
You have to keep training like any other muscle. Read.
So unstoppable is a muscle.
Unstoppable is a muscle.
This is a new one. Yeah. Thanks for this.
Yeah. Unstoppable is a muscle. Yeah. It's a curiosity. You have to be hungry for it. And it's not that you either have it or you don't have it. It's not one of those cocky things in life.
Okay.
It's something that can be very, very easily built. And it can be built with very small steps.
Okay.
Right? Those 10 minutes of movement every day. Until it'll come a day when you will be like, yaar, aaj maine movement nahi ki hai. Do I have 10 minutes? I'll quickly do something.
Correct.
Right? And then it becomes a habit. Do you forget to brush your teeth in the morning? No. Why not? क्या होगा अगर एक दिन ब्रश नहीं करोगे तो? Your mouth will decay. Your teeth will decay.
Yes.
Smell आएगी.
Yes.
पूरी बॉडी वही हो रही है.
डीके हो रही है.
डीके हो रही है.
हो रही है. slowly हो रही है.
हो रही है. But it's just that you can't see it. You can feel it.
That is profound.
But that you're okay with.
Yeah.
Your body decaying. But एक दिन अगर आप ब्रश नहीं करोगे तो you're uncomfortable.
Yeah.
It's such a small tiny part of your body, right? और कहीं पेपर कट लग गया, कहीं कुछ उंगली पे कट गया. You cut your small little finger. You put a band-aid on it.
Yeah.
And you're uncomfortable about it. But your whole body is decaying. But just because you can't physically see it, it's in your head. So you very conveniently convince yourself कि ठीक है दिख नहीं रहा है ना तो I'm okay. But जिस दिन दिखेगा नहीं तब it's going to hit you like a storm.
Yeah.
What are you going to do then?
Yeah. So and you have to prepare yourself for that.
Too. It's not even prepared.
Oh no, you need to obviously.
Yeah. It's 10 minutes every day, 15 minutes every day. 15 minutes में आप 5 या 6 राउंड सूर्य नमस्कार मारते हो. पसीने छूटते हैं तब तक.
बिल्कुल.
Are you telling me you don't have 15 minutes a day?
Yeah.
Nobody's asking you to wear gym clothes. Nobody's asking you to buy some expensive mat. आप literally जमीन पे कर सकते हो. Right? But वो भी अगर आपको नहीं करना है.
Go for it, guys. I think this passion I haven't seen very often. Thank you, Charu. I think you have got so much energy today.
Thank you. I'm glad.
And I can see, you're going to do great things in times to come.
Thank you so much.
Please pursue what you're doing. You're on the path. And I can imagine the people who are stuck around with you for 4 years and why they are.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being on the show.
Thank you so much for having me here.